Hello, Francois from HowToBecomeMore.com. And today my wife and I are in a beautiful spot in Montreal, something absolutely great. And I had this idea talking about how you and I and many people are looking to increase their impact, their income through the things that they do. And so oftentimes you and I scout the internet and are looking for different programs that might help us better our lives, better our business, which is a great thing to do. Now, there is something visual I want you to now conceptualize and understand deeply. And I'm going to use those plastic buckets to illustrate it. Let's say, for example, let's make some easy numbers. You earn $100,000 a year. So, this is you, and this is your capacity of $100,000 a year. And that's what you earn and you've been earning. Now, as you scout the internet, you see this other program. And this other program tells you, you know what? You can double your income with me. And so as you come here and you want to double your income, you buy that course. And now you start doing it. And as you start to do that course, it's pouring inside you what it is that it can give you. But you know what's going to happen right now. Look at this. Look. What a waste. What just happened? It is not that the course was not good. It's the container that could not handle it. Because you understand, if you have a $200,000 course and you had a $100,000 capacity, it's overflowing again and again. What's the solution? The solution is quite simple. Once you know it, you need to grow. You need to become a bigger bucket so that when there's $100,000 courses or more courses, you can actually handle it. At one point, you will overflow as well. Guess what? You'll need to grow again. Newsflash. Personal development is like going to the gym. You cannot go to the gym. There's a gym in back of that window over there. You cannot go to the gym once and have guns and says, hey, I'm done for being healthy. You and I both know that we need to go there again and again in order to not only get to a certain level, but maintain that level. Same with the money that you can earn and the programs that you purchase. And I'm not saying to stop purchasing the programs that you're doing. We all need to grow, definitely. But if you have a program that's bigger than you, not going to work. You need to get bigger than the program that's coming in. Because if you have room for more, you're going to not only be able to hold it, it's not going to overflow. Ponder this for a while and think, what's the best investment that you can make in your life? Other programs, how to get new clients, social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, all these things that exist out there. And everybody is telling you, do this, do that. Yes, we need to do it. But until you become bigger and better, you will not be able to handle all the good material that's out there. What does that mean? Personal development, professional development is the first thing that you should look at when you're looking to increase your impact and increase your income. And that's what a business success mindset coach like me can do for you. If now an aha moment came about and you're thinking of all the programs that you've purchased so far, and some of them are collecting digital dust on your computer, that's the reason why. It's not that the program is not good. It's because you or me are not big enough to hold all the new benefits that that program has to offer in our lives. So for things to change, we need to change. For us to handle more success, we need to create room so we can hold that success. And as we hold that success, it becomes ours and no one can take it away. It doesn't matter. It's yours. What's in there is now yours. But if you stay this way and some bigger programs you want to buy, let's do it again. What's going to happen? That's the reason why the most important thing is for you to become better at whatever it is that you need to become better at. The container needs to be bigger in order to hold more. And then, when that container is really full, guess what? You can start telling and filling out clients. One client at 100,000, another client at 100,000, and another client at 100,000, because you are big enough to start and being able to sustain growth with all the people you talk to. That is the secret to make things happen. Work on yourself first, the rest take care of itself. If now is the time that you feel that you and I should get together, because now you understand that it starts with you, let's start with an exploratory call. There's going to be a link below this video. Take that link. Let's book a call together and find out how we can make you go from this to this so you can handle more and more success, enjoy it, work less, and have more time to enjoy it. Until next time, make it a great day. Thank you.